France, Amsterdam, Paris, and then pabalik sa Germany. Or maybe let's fly from Philippines to Turkey, from Turkey to Germany with Turkish airline. Pero girl, yung mga prices nila is around 3,000, 4,000 euro. Kagagastos lang namin din sa Pilipinas, no? So after really doing lots of research, our options that we have took is with AirAsia. So from Philippines, we flew to Malaysia. Matagal lang talaga yung connecting flight, pero wala ka ng choice. Safety first, ganyan. From Malaysia to Sabiha, Turkey. And then from Sabiha, Turkey, we have booked another flight with Pegasus, pabalik na sa Germany. 32 hours yung flight, okay na, basta safe tayong makakauwi. But since hindi nga kaya ni AirAsia no, na mag-fly papunta dito sa Germany, because we had to book 2 flights, that means kailangan naming mag-exit from Sabiha, Turkey para maka-enter kami for another flight through Pegasus pabalik nga dito sa Germany. So that means me as a Filipino passport holder, I need to secure a Turkish e-visa. Madali lang naman, you just have to fill out yung mga personal details mo, passport number, ganyan. And then it cost me around 23 euro. Worth it na yun, girl. And total number of flight, no, total hours of flight that we have is 32 hours. Talagang grabe na yung sakit ng ulo mo kasi hindi ka nga makatulog, ganyan. Pero ayun na nga, safety. And then the reason why we have chosen Turkey is because they are with NATO. And siguro naman, hindi naman aapektuhan yung mga countries included sa NATO because other NATO countries would be obligated na magtulungan against yung nangyayari nga. So ayun, I also hope for your safety na makabalik dito sa Germany, especially if andyan ka sa Pilipinas and you're thinking, paano ka dito makakabalik sa Germany?